In the bustling world of e-commerce, artificial intelligence is no longer a novelty. It's a necessity. It's the secret weapon that sets Shopify apart. Imagine walking into a shop where everything is curated just for you. That's what AI does. It personalizes the shopping experience, making every click, every scroll, every purchase a reflection of you. It's like having your very own digital personal shopper. But it's not just about shopping. AI is revolutionizing customer service too, turning it into a seamless, efficient, and even enjoyable process. It's like having a knowledgeable sales associate who's always ready to help, but without the pressure. And let's not forget operations. AI is making running a business on Shopify smoother than ever. It's the behind-the-scenes maestro conducting an orchestra of tasks, making sure everything runs in perfect harmony. Now, delve into a real-life example of a business harnessing the power of AI on Shopify. Beginning with personalized product recommendations, stylish threads metamorphose their online shopping experience. The AI system at work behind the scenes scrutinized customer preferences, purchase history, and even browsing habits. It utilized this data to predict and suggest items that a customer might fancy. This strategic personalization led to a significant surge for stylish threads. It felt like every customer had a personal shopper guiding them through the store, powered entirely by AI. Stylish threads didn't stop there. They incorporated AI into their customer service with a chatbot. This automated assistant was on call 24/7, rapidly answering questions, assisting with orders, and even managing returns. It provided swift and efficient service, freeing up precious time for the human staff to focus on more intricate tasks. This resulted customer satisfaction rates, as customers valued the instant attention and aid they received. Lastly, stylish threads harness the power of AI for predictive analytics to anticipate sales. Past sales data, customer behavior, and market trends, the AI system could provide precise sales forecasts. This enabled stylish threads to plan inventory, allocate resources, and make informed business decisions. It curbed overstocking and understocking instances, saving the company money and guaranteeing always found what they needed. The impact of these AI integrations on stylish threads has been nothing less than extraordinary. Sales have elevated, customer satisfaction has soared to record highs, and the business is operating more efficiently than ever before. The cherry on top? All these AI tools are readily available to any Shopify store owner. The future of e-commerce rests in the power of AI, and stylish threads is charting the course. If you're a Shopify store, it's time to ask yourself, are you prepared to join the AI revolution? Let's dive right in and explore the array of AI tools designed to supercharge your e-commerce business. First off, let's talk about chatbots. These AI-driven virtual assistants work round the clock, providing instant customer support and enhancing user engagement. They can answer queries, track orders, and even upsell products. A chatbot ensures that your customers feel heard and valued, no matter the time or day. Now let's move on to recommendation engines. Ever wondered how some stores seem to know exactly what you're looking for? That's the magic of AI-powered recommendation engines. They analyze user behavior, track browsing patterns, and use this data to suggest products tailored to each individual customer's preferences. It's like having a personal shopper for every single one of your customers. But the AI magic doesn't stop there. Predictive analytics tools take things a notch higher. These tools analyze past customer behavior and use this data to predict future trends. Want to know which products will be a hit next season, or which marketing strategy will yield the highest ROI? Predictive analytics tools have got you covered. And then there are tools that streamline operations. From managing inventory to automating marketing campaigns, these AI tools are all about making your life easier. They can predict stock demands to avoid overstocking or understocking, automate repetitive tasks, and even optimize your website for search engines. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never gets tired. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the strategy. To truly leverage the power of AI, you need to integrate these tools into your overall business strategy. Use chatbots to enhance customer service, recommendation engines to personalize shopping experiences, predictive analytics to stay ahead of trends, and operation tools to streamline your business. With AI tools, your Shopify store can become more efficient and customer-centric. So are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? It's time to step into the future of e-commerce. Well, The potential impact of AI on Shopify and the broader e-commerce landscape is truly remarkable. Imagine a world where shopping is not just a transaction, but a personalized journey tailored to the tastes and preferences of each individual customer. That's the promise of AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize the shopping experience by delivering unprecedented levels of personalization. Imagine a store that knows your style, your size, your color preferences, and even your budget. It recommends products that you'll love, even before you know you want them. This is not a distant dream, but a reality being gradually shaped by AI's integration into Shopify. But the magic of AI doesn't stop at personalizing the shopping experience. It also holds the key to creating more efficient operations. With AI, inventory management becomes a breeze, supply chain inefficiencies are minimized, and the guesswork in sales forecasting is eliminated. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing Shopify store owners to make informed decisions quickly. Moreover, AI can provide deeper insights into customer behavior. It can identify patterns and trends that may be invisible to the human eye. This means understanding not just what customers are buying, but why they are buying it, when they prefer to shop, and what factors influence their purchasing decisions. Thanks to AI, Shopify store owners can now dive deeper into the customer psyche, leading to more effective marketing strategies and ultimately higher sales. It's clear that AI is not just a tool for today, but a catalyst for the future. It's transforming the way we do business, making e-commerce more dynamic, more personal, and more efficient. As we move forward, the integration of AI in Shopify and e-commerce will only become more prevalent, creating exciting opportunities for businesses and customers alike. The AI revolution on Shopify is just getting started, and the future looks bright. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey of innovation and transformation. As we forward, the integration of AI in Shopify and e-commerce will only become more prevalent, creating exciting opportunities for businesses and customers alike.